To redeem a Grubhub gift card, start by logging into your Grubhub account on the website or mobile app. If you do not have an account, create one by providing the required information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you are logged in, click on the account icon and select gift cards from the drop-down menu. On the gift card page, click on Redeem a gift card and enter the gift card code in the provided field. Make sure to enter the code correctly, as it is case sensitive and must be exact. After entering the code, click on the Apply button to add the gift card balance to your Grubhub account. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the gift card has been successfully redeemed, and the balance has been added to your account. To use the gift card balance, select the food you want to order from your favorite restaurant and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, select gift card as the payment method and the gift card balance will be applied to your order. If the gift card balance is greater than the order total, the remaining balance will be saved in your account for future use. It is essential to note that Grubhub gift cards never expire and can be used to order food from any participating restaurant on the platform. Additionally, you can check your gift card balance at any time by logging into your account and selecting gift cards from the account menu. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your Grubhub gift card and enjoy your favorite food from the comfort of your home. Remember to always keep your gift card code safe and secure to avoid any unauthorized use.